In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to authenticate on GitHub in just 5 minutes. If you're new to GitHub or simply need a refresher on how to get past the login screen, this guide is for you. Let's get started. First things first, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the GitHub website by entering github.com into the address bar. GitHub is an essential platform for developers, a place where you can host and review code, manage projects, and work together with others across the globe. Once you're on the GitHub homepage, the next step is to sign into your account. To do this, look towards the upper right hand corner of the page. You'll see a sign in button. Click on that to proceed to the login page. Here you'll enter your registered email address or username and your password. If you've set up two-factor authentication, you will also need to complete that process for an added layer of security. After logging in, you'll be directed to your GitHub dashboard. This is your personal control panel where you can access your repositories, monitor activity, and much more. To begin the authentication setup, look for the profile image or icon, usually located at the top right corner. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select Settings. In the Settings menu, you'll find an option labeled Password and Authentication. Click on this tab to enter the authentication section. From here, you'll be setting up your authentication methods. GitHub offers several options for authentication to secure your account, including SMS authentication, Authenticator apps, and even hardware tokens if you want an extra layer of security. To proceed, select your preferred method of authentication from the list. It's a good idea to choose a method that you'll always have access to and is most convenient for you. Once you've selected your method, you may be asked to verify your choice by following a few extra steps, such as entering a code sent to your phone or confirming through your Authenticator app. This verification ensures that you're ready to go with your chosen method, securing your account from unauthorized access. And that's it. You've successfully authenticated your account on GitHub. This setup not only provides peace of mind by securing your valuable coding projects, but also aligns with the best practices for online security. Remember, if you ever need to change your authentication method, you can always come back to the settings and update it as needed. With your account now secure, you can focus on building, collaborating, and pushing new code as you dive deeper into the world of development on GitHub. Thanks for watching and happy coding.